Hi guys, Sanswell is back and today I am going to teach you all about coding. By hearing this word, the question rises, what is coding? Coding is programming and now the question is what is programming? Programming is writing a program in a language that is understandable by computers. Unfortunately, we can't learn computer language to tell it what it should do because all it understands is just zeros and ones, and each number greater than it is represented in these. Example 5 is understood by a computer as 101, 6 is 110, 7 is 111, and so on. And letters have their own mystery of zeros and ones. But who wants to learn this boring language? So some people worked on it and created some more user-friendly languages and their compilers. Compilers transform the different languages into computer understandable language, which is the zeros and ones, also called as binary. Many languages require to install compilers, but there are some languages for which a computer has already a built-in compiler. That is any browser, but I recommend using Google Chrome as it has support to all the features of the language. From that time, I was saving that language, this language, etc. But what is the language actually called? It is called HTML, which is the short form for Hypertext Markup Language. So let's start coding. For coding HTML, we actually need two things. The first thing is a compiler and viewer, which is your browser. And the second thing is a code editor. I might suggest you don't use a code editor for now. You can use a simple text editor like Notepad for Windows or TextEdit for Mac because code editors will be a little complicated to use for the beginning. So you must first learn how to code, then focus on how much efficiently you are coding. So to code, first we need to create a blank notepad document and just start coding. So to code, we actually use tags, and the way we use tags are surrounding it by is less than and greater than symbol, and in coding they are called angular brackets. We surround tags by these. So to write a first tag, we need to create the basic syntax and then write the HTML. And this tag just says that now you're coding in HTML. And this is the starting tag. There is another tag known as the ending tag, which is looks the same but has a forward slash just after the opening angular bracket, like this. And just like we use brackets in maths, we surround them just like this. A bracket in a bracket in a bracket. We do the same with tags. A tag in a tag, and inside there will be another tag. So you know what this HTML tag says, but this head tag says that everything you write here will not be shown on the web page and it will be taken as the head. In this we can write a tag known as the title, and after the closing angular bracket we can write what will be the title, and then write the close tag for the title is hash title. This and this will be taken as code, and this will be taken as just normal text. And the titles which will appear on the cron tab here will have this content, my title. And after the head, like this, after this we can have another bracket, same as it is. We can have here another tag known as the body tag. This body tag, whatever is written inside this body tag is shown on the web page. So I can write hello world. So this is an hello world program, and yes, I coded my first file. Now here comes the part of making it into code. I need to save it. Type any name. The most common name is index, and next is the main part. I should write a dot and write HTML or HTML. This is the syntax for making a file as HTML file. Now I need to save it. It is saved. I can close it. I saved it on desktop, so I can right click and open it. And now when I open, you can see the title, but it is showing my title and tight. Yeah, I understood. It's an error. It is very common in coding. Should open it with choose another app and open with Notepad. Yeah, here it's a title title, but here I misspelled it. I wrote Tite. Now I should save it again. And here, if I'll refresh it, here, our title is my title, and I wrote a hello world. And now I want to write something else. I can write subscribe, but mm, now let me save it and then see. I didn't get any enter here. Why is it? Because HTML does not take any enters. It needs a special command to make an enter known as the br command. But unlike other, it doesn't have any close. So only this. It doesn't have hash br. And br is a short form for break. And so it's a good habit to write an hash for only normal tags which don't have the ending tags. Now if I save it, the BR should be where the enter should be placed and no spaces. Save, refresh, and it's just like how I want. Well done, you have coded your first web page. In next video, we will try to make buttons and links. And also we will format this boring text into more amazing ones. Like how this text is in my notepad. This is all for this part. If you like this video, then like it and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this. Till then, thank you.